Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. Today in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create Ghost Mannequin Photos without Studio. And it is amazing what this tool can do that we have right now. It is the WearView.co. It's a great AI-powered tool that will blow your mind. Now, this uses AI generated models for fashion at 90% less than a photo shoot, because we all know if you are a clothing brand, or if you're thinking of starting a clothing brand, it is really expensive for creating those pictures. You have to pay the models, you have to pay the photographers, and also it takes a lot of time, editing and stuff like that. But right now, with the power of AI, we can just do that within like 30 or maybe a minute or so. So it's amazing. So make sure you go to wearview.co, create an account, and just you can just go ahead and do it. So for this example, or for this video, we'll go ahead and click on try it now. Now, once we click on it, we have many options that WearView supports, and many features or many services that it has, like AI try-on studio, AI product to model, AI fashion video, AI model creation, AI ghost mannequin, which we'll be doing today, AI pose control, AI consistent models, AI model swap. So these are some of the services that WearView provides. Now, for this video, we are going to be doing AI ghost mannequin. So I'll click on it, and within a few seconds, we'll be greeted with this screen, which says upload garment. Now you have to upload your front view as well as the back view of your dress or of your garment. So we'll do the front view. We'll just click on choose file, and we'll choose the file here. This is a coat. It's a really cozy coat. I really love it. Now I'll also select the back side of this coat. Is just amazing. And you can see, right, this is a two-dimensional image. It's not 3D, or it's not it doesn't have that ghostly like ghost mannequin kind of feel. It is two-dimension. And below we have another option, anything we should know. There is an AI waiting for you. You can just go ahead and enter or type in any of the prompt that you might want. For example, it says fabric, to color, fit, or details that aren't clear in the photo or anything as such. If you have something, you can go ahead and input it, because your creativity is the ceiling here. So once your front view and back view is done uploading, we'll just click on the next button. And here we will have to select the quality of the image that we are looking for. It supports HD, 2K, 4K. For the best performance and also the best quality, I would recommend 2K to be the bare minimum, and 4K will be the absolute best. So for this video, I'll choose 2K, and then for the aspect ratio, we'll just go to the drop-down menu, and you can choose from any one you want. Maybe 16:9, 9:16, which is the vertical form. But for this video and for this project, I'll choose match input image, which is the default option. We'll choose that, and then finally click on generate button. Let me just put away myself a bit. Click on the generate button. Now, this will take some time, not a lot of time. It will take around 30 to 1 minute. So in the meantime, what I want you to do is just go ahead, call one of your best friend, or maybe call your mother, or drink a glass of water, or do some yoga or some exercise. Don't do something like that. It's just really embarrassing. But I'll just wait, and we'll begin the video once the creation of the ghost mannequin is over. All right, so we are done with the ghost mannequin creation. As we can see here, it is just so unbelievable. Before, it would just take a professional. It would charge a lot per image, or maybe the whole project or whole lot. It will just charge you a lot. But here we have, it just looks so good with, it just looks so like flawless. You see, it just looks flawless. You have the option to flip it horizontally if you want. You can also refine it with the help of AI. Just go ahead and let me just take myself to the left. You can just go ahead and describe what you want to change. It will cost you credit, of course. And yeah, you can just go ahead and select a specific target. You can clear it out. You can just do whatever you want. You have the option to do so. Let me put myself back into where I belong. And also, as you can see, the quality is top notch. We select the 2K. If you want, you can choose 4K as well, which will give you the utmost performance. Now, if you want, you can also start fresh, start a new project and stuff like that. Or if you're not happy by any chance, if you're not happy with the, with WearView's work, you can also go ahead and try it again. It will just generate the images again for you. Now I am really happy with the images, so I'll just click on the download button. I'll go to my desktop, front view, that's what I'll save it as, and we'll go ahead and download my back view and save it as back view, which is great. Now I'll be just sending this over to my manager, and he will just do all the other magic stuff. Well, that's pretty much it. That's how you create Ghost Mannequin with just few clicks within a minute or so. If this video really helped you out, please do consider subscribing. And if you have any doubts or question, please leave it in the comment box down below. And I would really love to get in touch with you. And if you have any queries, like I said, please leave it in the comments. Well, that's pretty much it. This is Vibro or Victor signing out. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.